Welcome to JJ Central DIY channel, and today we're going to see top 5 interior upgrades on the new Model 3 for 2024. Number 1 to start with is the steering wheel. Doesn't have any stock, which means putting the drive and the reverse are right here in the screen itself. So you just have to go back and forth on the screen right here, up and down. Not a big deal, you'll get used to it. On the other hand, the signals left and right are also here, which is kind of weird, but guess you'll get used to that as well. And the second biggest upgrade you see is the interior on the dash itself, the LED lighting that goes across all the way, and you can change the color of that in here as well. You can turn it green, red, pink, whatever you want to set the mood, and that is the second biggest upgrade. And also seats. Now we have ventilated seats. Seats have perforations, as you can see, completely new material, and also it can cool as well as heat. So heated seats and ventilated cooling seats, that is a big upgrade. The perforated seats on the back as well. I'm not sure if it has ventilation, but it has heated seats on the back. Now the next biggest update you see is the Sona Console design. This is much more premium looking, and it also springs in pretty nicely. Aluminum feel and really nicely done. I like that. Wireless chargers like before. All that is good. That's the fourth upgrade, Sona Console. Now the fifth biggest upgrade you see is the screen in the back. So the back screen enables you to watch some movies, Netflix, all that stuff, as well as can do climate control as well. So those are the 5 biggest differences on the interior of Model 3. There are plenty of differences on the engineering and outside, suspension, lighting, design, and all that. And apart from that, this is what you get. Same price, better car. So that's a good value. I'll see you in the next video.